똑같이 힘들어. 다 왔네. 오케이, 똑같다. 안 더울 때 와야 되는구나. 아, 저 죽을 뻔할 때 와가지고 그냥. 오!
That one.
Crazy one. Crazy ever. No way. No, 이거 뭐. 미친 거, 이거. 그냥, 응? You can just see it. 야, 이거 진짜 이거 아니야. 이거 진짜 또 왔지만, 이거 진짜 아니야. 저기. 야, 온다. 야, it's crossing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh no, I can't. You just do it glancing up there. Just see how terrible.
Yeah, how terrible.
죽어. You could just go down there. A bit more space to walk down there. Oh, that's beautiful. But the time I can't see anything. It's like such of this dusty things and smog. Crazy hot weather then. That's why I couldn't really see anything. But now, wow. 멋있긴 하네, 근데 이렇게 보니까. 여기 이제 선셋이 저기 나올 거고. 근데 이 아저씨가 생겼어. 이 아저씨 없었는데 원래? 아이씨인가? 아기인가? 이분 내가 마켓에서 본 거 같은데? 연예인이신가? Maybe we could just get down. 네. 어우. 봐도 끔찍해. 지금 봐도 끔찍해. 어우, 야, 너무 미끄러워. 어우. Be careful. 여기 넘어지면 그냥 굴 떨어지는 거야. 조심해야 돼. 어우. 바에서 여기가 제일 멋있는 것 같긴 해요. 여기 앉을까? It's cool. It's cool. Orange papaya, orange sand. Come on. 오.
Just.
와. 오, 뭐야, 쟤네. 왜 이렇게 잘 다녀? 와우, how. 대단한데? 기운이 오는 것 같아요, 지금. 아침부터 이동만 하고 있는데 피곤해 죽을 것 같고 죽을 것 같다. 그밖에 할 말이 없어요. 눈 쾌한 거 봐. Actually, I don't really like night flight.
Oh, why?
Because I've got really bad experience in Thailand. That was
what
like
kind of?
horrible shaking. That was raining actually. It's not rain season though, so it's okay out there. Must be okay, hopefully. Like this. Really? Not joking, really.
From where to where?
From Bangkok to Chiang Mai.
Okay, this is just opposite,
yeah.
It's gonna be okay.
I'm quite scared.
But this time from Chiang Mai to Bangkok.
Yes,
so
please.
Okay.
So even it's cheap one, I won't really take it, I thought, but I took it.
Yeah.
I took it.
Yeah, this time we need it. We need cheap. Oh, I didn't know we have zone. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
Oh, your one is 35.
So we are like
Separate. That's why it was cheap. You didn't choose your.
Yeah, because it's like not for free.
And this is
Oh.
LCC, so.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to your mind directly.
와, 사람 너무 많아. 사람 왜 이렇게 많아? 오케이. 오케이.
This one?
예. 고픈카. 야. 뭐? 또 문이 나.
Is this where?
뭐? I don't know. No elevator? 진짜 엘리베이터 없어? Really? 진짜로? 역시 오랜만에 한다. Going up? Which floor?
Third floor.
Third. Oh, okay, good.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah. Third. 타마짱?
This stair is right?
Oh, yeah.
There are two stairs. So.
Okay. Second floor. Okay. Yeah. 어? 뭐야? 타마짱? Not here? No, there. Okay. 뭔 냄새야 이거? 창문 없는 거여서 조금 싼 거였거든요. 근데 냄새 나네. 뭐 잠만 잘 거니까. 오케이. Finally. Finally. 뜨거운 물 나오네요, 드디어. 뜨거운 물 안 나와가지고 막 감기 걸리고 이래가지고. 오케이. 방콕 도착. 졸려. Sleepy. 배 아파. Maybe here. Maybe we could ask. 사와디카. ฮะ มีห้องน้ำอยู่โรงแรมโอเค Also we have toilet in the bus.
In the box. Okay.
105. 네. 오케이. 고맙습니다. 진짜 아침부터 너무 힘들다. 고맙습니다. 오메 이거 어떻게 해놔?
Quê cho cô Koh Chang.
Koh Chang.
Dạ.
오메. 뒤에. 주시도 주네. 지금 배가 아파가지고 보기만 해도 배가 아파. Red rose. 휴게소 같은데. 지금 알아낸 건데 버스로 여행을 하면 오래 걸리는 이유를 알았어. 그 이유는 바로 너무 느리게 달린다는 거예요. 너무 느리게 달린다는 거예요. 너무 느리게. 코끼리 열차 수준이에요. 너무 느려. 너무 느리니까 이게 오래 걸릴 수밖에 없어요. 기분이 그래. 천천히 달리니까 엉덩이 부실 것 같아. I'm not okay. 넓은 부지. 어떻게 넓어?
ไปไหนคะ โอเคค่ะอย่านั่งสองแถว โอเคยูเช็คอยู่เลย
Together.
Yeah.
Two. How much time I got? 360. 뭐야? Really?
Our stuff okay in here.
캐리어 긁고 있네.
This time.
아, 오케이. 오, 오. 너무 덥다. 맞나? 아, 토할 것 같아. 아, 토할 것 같은데 배 타도 되나? 와, 너무 좋은데 너무 더워.
ไปไหนมาเนี่ย
เท่าไหร่คะ
มันถ้าเตรียมคัน10 คนคนละ100 บาท
100 บาท
10 คนนะ
10 คน
แต่ถ้าไม่เต็มก็ต้องแชร์ออกไปเลย
โอเค
คนละ150คนละบิด
โอ้นี่2 3
ไปเลยครับคนละ150
150
ครับผม
โอเค
ไปเลยโกนเอา
nowโอเค
วันพิพย์โอเคโอ้วันนี้บัตรเวท
Wait till the rest of 5 people coming
ต้องบอกว่าตรงนั้นจอดตรงที่ขายทัวร์ใช่ไหมขายตัวรถไหม
너무 힘들다. 정말. Even though baby's okay, but I'm kind of.
Because baby took parents are driving from where to the ferry.
Yeah.
And from ferry to here.
So really hope I'm okay tomorrow. Yeah, we need to do laundry.
Yeah, definitely.
There's nothing I could wear now. All stinky.
Same.
Do you want to get massage tomorrow?
Because everything is too far.
Oh. Really? Have you tried? Sento Chihiro no Konoe. In Japanese.
Sorry? What's that? I haven't heard that sound from ramen.
I feel better.
Are you ready?
Oh.
Are you ready?
You really? It's gonna hurt?
Too much is bad. This is pretty okay.
Yeah, it's alright. But this point is really painful. The side. Oh, yeah. 제가 그렇게 막 수영을 좋아하는 것 같지는 않아요. 왜냐면 더워, 끄덕거려, 그리고 따가워, 살이 막. 그리고 여기 수영하고 나오면 이거 다 젖잖아요. 머리 젖고 다 젖잖아. 그럼 또 이제 이거 수습을 해야 되는데 그것도 힘들고 그것도 좀 귀찮은 것 같기도 하고. 고창은 저의 태국 생활의 마지막 종착지이기 때문에 편히 쉬고 그리고 어제 많이 아팠어서 다음 나라 가기 전까지 최상의 컨디션을 유지할 수 있는 그런 곳이 될 것 같아요. 최대한 아무것도 안 하면서 즐기다가 바닷가 마음껏 보고 과일 맛있는 거 많이 먹고. 옆에 선베드에 그냥 누워서 되겠다.
It's really inside.
아.